An old man sat in his little cabin door in the hills where he called home. His grandson begged him to come and live with him in the city till his earthly days were done. But the old man smiled as he looked at the boy and laid his hand on his old hound dog's head. As he gazed through the trees at the blue hills beyond, these are the words that he said. These hills, rock-ribbed and ancient as the sun, these hills must be the place where God's work first begun. For he was just from heaven, and he wanted to see if he couldn't make a place to look like heaven's bound to be. These hills have fed and clothed me through the years. These hills have laughed and wept with me through happiness and tears. These hills is where I want to stay till I am called away. These hills are my home. Well, the boy shook his hand and he said, I'll come again. It was useless to say any more. His granddad, he thought, would be out of place anywhere but in his little cabin door. But when he returned in another week or two, the old man was asleep on his bed. He was gone from his hills, but as the boy dried his eyes, he recalled what the old man had said. These hills have fed and clothed me through the years. These hills have laughed and wept with me through happiness and tears. These hills is where I want to stay till I'm called away.